Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Today I'm at a new pond and I'm going to break down how I'm going to go about fishing this to catch the most amount of fish possible. You can follow these steps as well whenever you go to a new pond to ensure you're catching tons of fish. First step that I'm going to look at is I will be walking around and I'm going to be looking for signs of activity, such as ripples on the water. I'll also be looking for different points of structure and cover, such as docks, brush piles, rocks, or grass. I'm going to start with a moving bait such as a spinner bait or swim bait, chatter bait, anything that you're going to constantly be reeling in. I'll first start fishing around this cover, and then I'll start doing fan casts to cover as much water as possible. I'm also going to walk around the entire perimeter of the water to make sure that I am hitting every spot that is possible, because there might be underwater cover that you are unaware of just fishing at one point. And I'm going to stay a couple feet away from the bank to make sure that I am not scaring off any fish that are hugged up. There we go.
You got one?
It's a nicer one. There we go. First actual caught bass on the old spinner bait. Pop that right out. Nice largie. First fish. Let's go. And that came right in that shallow corner there. Now, after fishing with your moving bait, you should have been able to run into any kind of submerged cover and underwater structure. This will tell you where those fish are holding up. So after I've made a complete lap with a moving bait, I'll switch it up and I'll throw on some kind of finesse presentation. This can be a wacky rig, Texas rig, or a shaky head. I'll then go back to those spots of submerged cover and I'll cast in my slower moving presentations. Now the areas that I'm going to target are kind of shallow ends like this. I'm going to target bank lines. I'm also going to target any obvious kinds of structure. So anything like birdhouses or that dock over there are going to be perfect spots for fish to be holding up at. We got some moose with their baby moose. So if the finesse bass baits don't work like they didn't for us, you can throw on tiny panfish jigs and that will catch you some bass. That'll also probably catch you whatever is left in the pond to catch you some fish. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Hopefully you have some success fishing new ponds. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.